Yo, what's going on, Wolf gang? On this video, gonna be looking into US30. I think gonna also add gold into it, alright, because the US30 man analysis is not that long, alright. So just gonna go into it first, and then hit to gold, alright, XAUUSD, alright. So here's see what's going on with US30, man. Alright, so remember what we do, guys, man. When you look into the market, the first thing you need to identify is a trend. Alright, you need to identify your trend, what's the market's been doing, alright, and you can tell, man, like US30 just like NAS 100, all it does move to the upside, alright, even though we've been having a little bit of a decline ever since 2021, but still overall still going with an uptrend, alright. So let's see what's going on, man. Alright, so let's just add those levels up and then we'll be back in a second. Like I told you, for US30, it's not too much technical analysis, alright? Like, for those who manage to enter somewhere around here, because the US30 kind of moves similar to NAS 100, alright? And NAS 100, like I told you from the other video, that we're gonna be holding the position for like for the whole year, alright? I think that's the same thing that's gonna happen with US30, alright? Because if you were holding position from here, I didn't see it. If I seen it, I probably would have entered again and then just hold it like 6 months to a year. Alright, so from what I'm seeing right now, from price action perspective, like US30 just gonna go, man, just gonna go up. It was supposed to go like exactly on Friday. It was supposed to just explode and break everything, right? But even if it plays for a while, alright, like even if it plays for a while, maybe on Monday when it opens, gonna come back and retest here, even break to the downside. But we know for sure, we have that idea that US30 is also trying to break this level. See, like overall it's a decline, like it's been a decline since let me see, yeah, since around December 2021. Alright, it's been a decline, alright, in the whole year of 2022. Alright, so what you're looking for is change of direction, man. Just try and change the rhythm and all, man. So what's gonna happen? Just gonna break to the upside. That's what we're anticipating. That's why I put like main levels, right? Like main levels, right? So what are we looking for? Right here, US30 is just gonna go to the upside, man. Break up there, alright, up until right there, and then obviously it's gonna come and reach this level again, play for a while, and then it's gonna keep on going to the upside. Alright, so that's just what we're anticipating from US30. So like if we go deeper into analysis to see, man, this is what we're anticipating from US30. Alright, right, but still same, like we're still seeing the same thing, man. All he has to do, at least go to touch this trend line, I'll break it a bit and then touch this level up here, or even come back to get inside the trend. Alright, because remember, you always get like fake outs like here. Alright, gave people a very beautiful fake outs. Probably most blew their accounts here. Alright, but that we know, man, like US30 is just gonna keep on going up just like NAS 100, man. So there isn't really much to talk about in US30, man. Let's jump into gold and see what's popping. Alright, okay, yep, this is gold for us, and then this is how we analyzed it for like on the previous week, man, like as we were doing analysis and entries and all, and we did enter positions, alright, but we ended up closing because gold didn't give us like exactly what we were looking for. Alright, I think we made about 3 grand or something, alright, because it didn't give us exactly what we were looking for. Because remember, we are price action traders. Like we trade liquid, like, man, we trade the volume, man. When the volume is high in the market, we know that, okay, in the price action perspective, we know that what's gonna happen, the market at this period in time and whatever, it has to move like this, and it didn't give us that. All right, so what we were expecting was that we were expecting a very powerful volume. We were expecting the market to drop like crazy. All right, we're expecting it to drop like crazy, maybe until here or even touch down here. All right, that's what we were expecting, like using volume. Remember, all right, we are price action traders. All right, so we're using the volume. All right, but the volume didn't give us what we were looking for. So what we did around somewhere here, as it was rejecting, all right, what we decided to close position because it wasn't giving. I think we entered somewhere around here, and then it went, or maybe somewhere here, because it never went to the losses. All you did was go straight to the profit. Maybe we entered somewhere around here, and then it went too slow, man. Like we waited for I think 3 to 4 hours or even 5 hours, and then we got bored that we knew that that's not how we trade, man. We trade for about 15 to 30 minutes or 45 minutes, sometimes 2 hours. All right, that's the max. Anything than that, it's not our movement, man. Because we use the volume, man. We enter when the market is most active, like this most liquid. All right, so gold didn't give us what we were looking for. All right, we rejected, then we decided to close. Be like, all right, we're gonna see the coming week. All right, so that's like we still look into this analysis for this coming week onto gold. All right, that's what we are still looking into. Yeah, this is our analysis, man. I don't think anything's gonna change. I think this is what's gonna go on into gold. All right, let me give you an overview of how it did. All right, so this is how we do it, man. Can even replicate it. All right, but remember, overall, from what we are seeing, we know that gold's gonna also go to the upside. All right, but we try to just get in for a minute, because remember, we have our own strategies and all, and then everything for our strategy aligned with the movement going to the downside. All right, so this is our analysis for this coming week, or maybe 1 day or 2 days. All right, but overall from here, gold's gonna get here, maybe play for a while, then break to the upside. That's what gold does. All right, that's what gold does, and you all know it. That's what gold does, man. All right, and then it's gonna break, maybe give us a new high. Okay, yeah, not yet, because we still have this. All right, but it's gonna give us, man. That's what we're expecting from gold. All right, so if you learn anything from this video, guys, give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, man, and peace.